Wherever you're going, wherever you've been, I'll follow you around every bend. Follow you into the dark, throw your hair on down like a falling star.
What you've accomplished here today is no small feat. Your journey began well before Jake proposed to you. It truly began on a scenic day trip to the New River Gorge in your beloved home of West Virginia, and it has grown over the past 2.5 years. In that time, you have enjoyed countless evenings on the Kanawha River, long beautiful days at the farm, spontaneous road trips across the mountain state, adopted your lovable pup, grown stronger in your faith together, and made countless other memories. You took the time to learn what makes the other person smile, what makes her laugh, and how to best support him when life is less than simple. Marriage is one of the most sacred of human relationships. This ceremony affirms the choice you make to stand together as husband and wife. This is how the Bible describes love in 1 Corinthians. Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends.
My dear, sweet Jenn, just over 2 years ago, I began falling for you. The most beautiful, intelligent, kind, and thoughtful girl I had ever met. Needless to say, it didn't take me very long to realize that you were the one. My best friend, my confidant, my soulmate, the love of my life. I've never stopped falling for you. I've only fallen harder for you every day. Over the past 2 years, we've made so many memories. I can't wait to see the life we build together. Today, you have made me the happiest man in the world by agreeing to share your life with me. I promise that I will never take you or this marriage for granted. I will love you with all my heart. I will cherish you. I will respect you. I will devote my entire life to you and our family. I will be faithful to you. I will care for you and protect you in sickness and in health, in prosperity and poverty, in the good times and the hard times. I will comfort you. I will encourage you. I will listen to you. I will be patient with you. I will pray for you. I will pray for us. I will pray for this marriage, and I will pray for our family. And I will always keep our faith at the center of our relationship. All of this, I promise to you, I will do for all of eternity.
My darling Jacob Dean, when we met, I told you I didn't believe in soulmates. I had never encountered anyone who perfectly completed me, understood me, or I felt I couldn't live without. I didn't think such a person could exist, and honestly, I was content with that. Over the past 2 years, you have shown me what it means to be true, loving, and loyal. You've been my rock, my calm in the storm, my sunshine on hard days, and my greatest supporter. We've prayed together, laughed together, struggled together, and celebrated together. You've taken the time to learn what makes me smile, held me tight when I cried, and shown me boundless patience and love during my hardest moments. You are my breath of fresh air. You are my home. Now I know, without a doubt, that soulmates do exist and you are mine. The greatest lesson I have learned from our love is to be patient and trust in God's timing. Every step and misstep led me to you, the love of my life and man of my dreams. I believe only God could have orchestrated this journey. I promise to never stop holding your hands. I promise to seek out the little ways to make you feel loved and bring you laughter. I promise to fight with you and for you, not against you. I promise to love, respect, protect, and trust you, and to give you the best of myself always. Today I stand before you, incredibly excited to become your wife. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I always have, and I always will.
And now, it is with such joy that I send you out into the world to spread the beautiful light you share with those around you. By the power vested in me by the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Going